back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my go-to eye makeup look. I already have my face makeup on, so let's get right to the eyes. First, I'm going to be putting these black hair clips in my hair so that my hair stays back when I'm trying to do my makeup. I can't remember where I got these, but anywhere should have them. First, I'm going to be going in with my James Charles and Morphe eye palette. And I open it up and look, I'm amazed by all the colors, so beautiful. I then mix So Good and Face on my pointer finger and apply that to the inner corner of my eyes. Make sure you bring that color up halfway across your eye. I pick up my Morphe M441 brush and dip it into canvas and apply that in my crease. Now that the base colors are done, I'm grabbing my other Morphe palette. It's the 39S palette. This one they collaborated with by Brokel, and she's one of my favorite makeup artists out there. If you guys don't follow her, go follow her. I'm picking up one of my IT Cosmetics brushes. It's the number C6310, and I'm dipping that into Super Swanky and just putting that into my crease. If you don't have this palette specifically, I'm sure other palettes out there have all of these colors in them, so you can recreate the look. So I blend that color in my crease, but what I also do is I kind of bring it out to the outer part of my eyelid. I'm trying to create a ombre effect with all the colors. I'm picking up a different brush. It's the IT Cosmetics Flawless All Over Shadow. The number is C4282, and I'm putting that in the color Decadent AF. I'm putting that also into my crease. The thing is, this brush is smaller than the first brush that we used, so it will target kind of closer to my eyelid. Does that make sense? I'm going back with the first brush and first color we used from this palette, and I'm kind of just blending those two colors out together. You'll notice throughout this video I go back with the colors I used before a lot, just because I want the colors to show up, but I want them to still blend together. And as you can see, I'm also bringing all the colors I used to my outer lid. I take the brush that we first used for canvas, and I take that leftover product and put it on my brow bone and blend. Folks, I will say your hand might be cramping after this, so have a banana, because I go back to blending 5 million times. I'm taking my Morphe M506 brush and dipping it into That's Tempting. I'm going to be applying this color to my outer lid and a little bit in the crease. Since this is a smaller brush, it should kind of create like an ombre effect with all the other colors. You get what I'm saying? I hope you are, because I'm not really understanding myself either. first color and first brush again. Oh gosh, how many times am I gonna have to say this? I think it's gonna be a lot. You're in for a treat, my friends. Oh no. I mean, it's not a bad thing that I like my eyeshadow to be blended and cute. It's a process though. If you want it to be like really cute looking, you really have to blend, and it takes time. Just had to get a little bit up close and personal right there. I see. But you see, I'm just going back with all of the brushes and colors we used before and blending until I feel satisfied with what it looks like. Now back to the second color and brush we used in this palette. And back to first crease color and brush. And back to second. And the third crease color. And back to the first crease color. Wow, okay, that was a lot of hopping around. But now that I'm satisfied with my blended eye look, I'm going to be spraying the Scandinavia setting spray onto a flat brush, dipping it into So Good and Face, and applying that where we applied it first. If you don't remember, this is the first colors we used and mixed on our pointer finger. My posture was terrible, so I fixed it. I think. I don't know. I might have just slugged it around by the end of the video too. Now we're done with eyeshadow, I think. We should be. Okay, yeah, now we are done with eyeshadow. So I'm going in with Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk eyeliner in the color Pillow Talk. I almost tripped up on my... yeah, I did trip up on my words right there. Wow. So I'm applying it how I usually do. And I kind of apply my eyeliner in a wing. And I go in with this smudger. It's a Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number, but it's a flat brush, so any flat brush will do. And I just smudge it around and smudge that wing. And then, wait for it guys, we're gonna go in and do the inner corner of our eye with eyeliner. I've been loving this kind of look. It's kind of like foxy eyes. Does that make sense? Yeah, that makes total sense. It's a foxy kind of eye look. Feeling foxy. Getting foxy with it. Okay, I see you. I'm not really speaking about how I do my eyeliner. I'm just trying to like show you with the video footage. I would try to use my words to help, but my vocabulary is very short today again. I don't know. liner took 5 million years because I'm a perfectionist. We're gonna go in with the Pat McGrath Labs Fetish Eyes Mascara. You guys, this is my favorite mascara. Like, I don't know, I've tried other brands and nothing just compares to this guy right here. It always does its job. It always does what it's supposed to do. Nothing can replace it. Ever, I don't think. Taking out the hair clips and the big reveal. Look at those eyes, man. Oh, my favorite look. Oh yeah, and then I go in with some tissue and wipe off some chapstick. I put on chapstick always before I do my makeup because I don't want chapped lips. But now we're gonna take it up a notch and put some lips on. Well, we have lips, but we're gonna up this look with some lip liner after I stop showing you the eyes already. I don't know what I was doing here. But yeah, just kind of showing you guys the eyes and jamming, I guess. I take my Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat lip liner and it's in the color Pillow Talk. And I just put it on like regular lip liner. And here is the ending result. Here is the ending look. After I wipe off some lip liner. I always do that. Here is the ending result. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe if you want to. That is, I post every Thursday. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. I'll see you in the next video.